clearly see that Prajwal Ravana did not escape on his own. Without the support of so many people from top to bottom, it is impossible for a person to leave country so easily after committing such a heinous crime.
And it's been going on from 4 5 years.
Yes, and actually, this is not the question of 1 day or 2 days. It is already 1 month since he escaped, and there are so many ways in which he could have been brought back. Central government, if it wanted, it could have immediately cancelled his passport, and he
Got
would
him
have been
arrested.
deported immediately to the country and would have been arrested and would have been gone through the process of investigation. So our demand is precisely to do this, to bring back Prajwal Ravana, book him under all the sections that are appropriate, and immediately subject him to the proper investigative procedures.
No, now that Ravana has got bail,